I mean, if that's your view, I mean, life has to be really good.
Pastel pink in the sunset. You know I never wanna make you upset. How did I become so obsessed with this?
Outfit for today. Cute or whatever, really looking for some summer vibes. Bonjour Mes Amis, it's day 2. We are now going to the Amalfi coast to spend the day there. So yeah, we just rented a car and we're driving to the Amalfi coast as we speak. It's a great sunny day, so yeah, let's see how the Amalfi coast keeps us going. Going to Positano first and hopefully go to Amalfi afterwards, but we'll see. Anyway, see. Decided to stop for breakfast and try some originally Italian pastries. This is a zeppolini, it looks so good. Cannoli. No, this is not a zeppolini. This one is a sfogliatella, I think, and this is the zeppolini. It looks so yummy. This look at the crusting on that. It looks so good. I feel like this coffee's cold, but okay. Let's try this one. Look, it breaks. Wow. Literal layers. There's literal layers. That's good.
Are you on video?
Mm-hmm. Flaky. Almondy. That's really good. How's the zeppelini thing?
It's good.
Give me a taste. So that was this one. Really good. I like it, but I prefer this one so far. I'm leaving the best for last because I know that the cannoli is going to be fire. Good, but not my favorite cannoli that I've ever had. That's weird. Very good. We are driving on the Amalfi. Okay, we're trying to get to the Amalfi coast. I don't know if we're on the Amalfi. We're on the Amalfi coast. Anyway, Italians don't know how to drive. Oh my gosh! Like people here just don't care. They open their doors, like swing them right open onto the freaking road. They don't indicate. People just come in wherever. Guys, I'm telling you, if you're gonna drive in Italy, be aware that you need to be have a very calm mentality because otherwise you're gonna go crazy. As you can't drive. But anyway, that's my little rant. Wow, these are massive. Buongiorno. So we're getting some lemons because we are in Amalfi Coast and these lemons are massive. Wow. What are you gonna do with them? You just wipe them though.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, I'm not sure I have enough cash.
Huh?
I said, not sure I have enough cash.
How much is it?
How much is it?
So we're making freshly cut lemon juice. As authentic as it gets. Freshly squeezed right here from these lemons right here. Amazing. Adding some. Oh shoot. Oh well, whatever, it's too late.
Okay.
Thank you.
Gracias.
The freshly squeezed. It's sour, but really good. Woo, okay. So we have just stopped for lunch. We are now in Positano. This is a beautiful, beautiful little town of Positano. It's on the Amalfi coast. I'm on the Amalfi coast. I've always wanted to be on the Amalfi coast, and I'm finally on the Amalfi coast. It's amazing. Having my cocktail right here. It's called something limoncello, and it didn't look that pretty, but damn, it tastes good. It's actually really quite yummy. But anyway, so just enjoying the view. Great view by the beach. I mean, it's probably touristy, but it's what you come here for. So anyway, I'll show you what we're gonna have for lunch, and then after this we're supposed to go to Amalfi, the town, but I don't know. We're gonna see. We'll see what happens. Anyway, stay tuned, guys. Too late. Bye. So I have lobster. So it looks really, really, really yummy. On some spaghetti, and Mr. has this is langoustine, I think, right? And some squid. What's the fish? Tuna? No, it's not tuna.
Yeah,
There's
tuna.
a piece of tuna and there's prawns. So yeah, it looks yummy. I mean, if that's your view, I mean, life has to be really good. Life must be hella great. It's beautiful. This place is amazing. Positano, like the architecture is just, it's the colors. Oh, okay, there's a random guy there, but the colors are absolutely gorgeous. No, I love this place. It's difficult to get to, but definitely worth it. It's gorgeous. Yeah, the Dolce Vita is a real thing. Ran into a wedding party. Oh my gosh. The freshness that you get in Italy. Look at those tomatoes. Wow. We are now in Strahita. That's the name of this restaurant. Apparently, it's one of the best pizzerias in Napoli. So, I mean, we're in Naples and we're here for the pizza. So, really excited to try it. It looks really great already. It's got like a nice, family kind of vibe. So I'm excited to try out their pizza, but we wanted to try it on margarita because I mean that's how you taste it. The good pizza is good pizza, but the waiters recommended another one. It's a fried and then baked pizza, really interesting. But we'll find out soon enough. But it looks like a really nice place. It looks like a very really nice experience if you are just wanting to have some good pizza and try the best in Napoli. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoy. I'm gonna just show you guys what we're having for dinner and let you know what we think. Just having our starters. It looks like it's a lot of fried beautifulness. Not sure what it is, but it's one of the starters that they have. It's got cheeses, little fried little everythings, and look at how amazing those tomatoes look. They look so fresh. Arancini balls. These are my favorite things in the world. Like cheese risotto in a bowl, fried. Oh my gosh, like amazing.